Those things not happen.
I understand.
Yeah.
Faridah, Malaysia, HDC has its own entrepreneurial development program. Do you see this problem arising with our local Malaysian SMEs, startups, the founders' ego in terms of not willing to share the cake, as well as in decision making? Kononnya, mereka tahu semua. Orang lain semua tak betul. Cara dia je betul.
I don't want to see that as being negative about it. But I think kita punya SMEs ni dia lebih kepada problemnya kalau dia nak supply dekat tempat dia, kat tempat dia je. They don't want to go for expansion of market access. So when we say that now we have regional in Pihak, makcik-makcik jom kita pergi do market access dekat Johor, the southern line, no, dia nak supply kat situ je. But then I think there are many programs talking about incubation, program not only by UPC, SME Corp yang buat nurturing that are available that for them to tap. You can grow from the incubator naik, banyak stages sampai jadi halal champion. And one example like you see around this, there are many more. We have in all the sectors. Malaysia has halal champion that can share with you that we have from the startup right up to being a global champion. So in that case, Malaysia has that. I mean, I can say that. But for the startups, we need to tell them to do more. Kalau nak do more tu, jangan kalau nak buat graphic tu, how do you make your graphic better? Tu mungkin ada melibatkan taste. Consumer ni dia taste ni berbeza-beza, kan?
But it goes both ways. I mean, agencies, government can tell you to do more.
Betul.
We can urge you to do more.
Yes.
We can bring you success stories up here, share their success stories.
Yeah.
From a guy who raised his own fund from scratch, finish off his savings. He did loads apa semua. Then from Indonesia, who actually went all over the world to raise funds for her app. We can urge them. But if they themselves don't have the drive to do so, kita tak boleh buat apa. Sekarang saya tanya juga, people go to Pihak, jual keripik, jual kopi apa semua, right? There's nothing wrong with that, which is good, very good. They go to Mihan. I was at Malaysia Halal Expo 2019 organized by SME Corp last month at LCC. Banyak orang jual kuih, jual cosmetics, fashion apa semua. But my question to them was, I was on stage, I was bluntly saying, nak jual dekat sini je ke? What's next? Where else you want to go? Or just nak participate in Expo in Malaysia? Is that it? There are lots of facilitation, there are lots of aids, there are lots of funding being provided by the government through agencies, as well as alternative funding by private entities like Pizza Play Ventures, for example, who provides Islamic fund. I wouldn't say Islamic fund, but Sharia compliant funds to startups or SMEs who would love to grow their business more. Alright, so this is our Advocate session where we speak about the truth. We do a